fish on. Guys, then catch it. Alright, my people. Fully active and out there. So we are taking on piece of the bridge fishing, you know. Always I gotta see and things, so we are changing up the style today. So yeah man, just go and stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for the first hook up. Yeah, first me come. First me come and say no people. Wait, it done reach already? Alright. So I'm gonna try some jiggy down at the bridge, huh? And think. Yeah man, just go and stay tuned for people. If no one go love today, if nothing not go on there, so we have other options. Got to see. But for now, we are going to the direct, you know. Seems like I saw a man them dig worm. And them something. Wow. Oh yeah man, we are doing right my people. See what I go on, so let's go and stay tuned, you know. Yo! The thing you reckon it's already too. Try my luck, you know. That's my own big word, you know. That's it, just popular, that's what. Go and do the right until first hook up, you know? Yeah, my people. Yeah, see we up on the bridge side. Don't catch a fish as yet, we're there about half an hour and they go pick. I don't know if I cause a janga we use as bait. However, I try to dig two worm and see what I go and stay before we change the location if anything, you know? Just go and stay tuned. Alright my people. We are left the spot. We're gonna get a pick. So we are up on the seaside. We see that test out still. But we are up on the seaside now. We're going to stay tuned. Alright people. The new spot again. So the seaside, you know. So as soon as I go through it, we're going to see what I go on. And hopefully we can go into some live action in the day, you know. Nothing stop. So go and stay tuned, my people. Oh, and black puss. So me a guy spot as black pussy as in reach. Yo! Me see one in drop off, you know? Jano! Jano! So me not see what going on, man? Yo! Alright, my people. There are my two rods, set rod, other rod. Guys in there over the side there. Just come on the spot I can see this kinda, you know, catch a one fish already. Nice snap with that, you know. So, let's see. Fish the hand a while ago when come off. It gone. The fish was on a while ago, you know. Out again. One thing that I go to sounds sweet. Show some line stiff. Wow. Fish on. Double hook up. Yeah, man. Live and direct. See people just catch a nice grouper and come up in the store. The thing flick off, I try continue with them one and just flick right out. Don't know, I tell you. I used to go and stay tuned still and go to soon change the spot still because I kind of feel a little bit disappointed about that, you know. But hopefully the one group they can make me get back many. Let's go and stay tuned same way. Look at bugger here. Can you believe it's the same skill? This is the big hook. Another one bite the dust. People, I don't know if I can see so good, but I'm pretty fish, you know. I'm pretty, man. I'm there looking for my case. I see one fish right there, so people think look how ugly head, you know. I set line. I set line off. How many so far? I set line off. Half a fish the pony. Half a fish the pony. I hate a while ago, wicked. Left it too far. Boy. Hold on. Anything we need upon the must gone. Wow. Yo. Yeah. I set you up near this family. Who the next fish head? Epic. Some people may have a run. Set right go off wicked, man, and I tell them I never reached in time. But so I still know this group here still managed to catch him a while ago, but yeah, man, I dash him out, man, and go and wait, man. Hopefully I can catch something big, you know. People that rush come change out, do some jigging. Let's catch that nice size grouper. This is a nice size one, you know. But I be get where fish them I get where from. You see, because I out on the rocks, I have fish them. And I flick off of the rocks. Two jump off a while ago. But yeah, man, I go and do some jigging, my people. Let's go and stay tuned. String of fish no look bad so far. I left cup in the igloo already. Bait me run out right now, my people. That try some jigging. I say. Look at something up on that, you know. No, if you can see good. Check it out still. Yeah, my people. String kind of look. You know? I gotta change the spot still. Come run out of Janga shrimps. So I gotta change this and see what can go on, you know? Yeah, man. So go and stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, my people, just go and do it right, you know? Support the movement. Yeah, my people. Guys, didn't catch it. Yeah man, bucket not look too bad at all. Could have looked way better. We run out of bait. People. So on different location. Go and do the right, you know. On my set line as usual. This time I'm going to take up in my hand and go and work it. This is going to see what I'm going to see with it. Yeah, my people. Just go and stay tuned, man, for the next hook. Yeah, my people. And I look like I ain't hit this cause when I say when they run out of bait earlier on and things. But I try see if I could catch 2 more fish, you know. And the rest of the man them kinda ready too. So now I head out. Man, so if you've made it this far in the video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.